All right, so thank you for visiting. This is my YouTube page and going through my portfolio overview for Studio-Ryu.com. And this is we're kind of on the last segment here for interactivities. In interactivities, I did a lot of Flash work and gaming, both educational and just for fun. Back when Flash was all the rage, again, that's kind of what started to have me delve into programming and development, especially with director's lingo and Flash's action script. So here's just some examples of some games that I created. Some of them are even just HTML5 and JavaScript. And again, this is just a brief overview, like this Cupid's Chariot one here. Flash no longer works in the browsers anymore. So I was able to take video captures of these games and kind of show you how they actually looked and work. And this was for an online dating site that users could they just wanted to play around on the dating site. They could spend some time doing like a hangman version of this game. So in this version, the hint is it stands for carnal desire. The user types in the letter. If it's a miss, then parts of the Cupid's Chariot hits the top of the mountains, and then the poor Cupid gets smashed at the end if you completely miss it. So this is kind of fun. So it actually was able to make it this time, and this is the reward. Let's see here. So this is a magic smoke, and again, I'm using animation as well. So all of this is I animated and flashed myself. So it's kind of like a magic 8-ball. So you would ask a yes or no question, and then click on the little dragon or little Ryu, and he would blow smoke, and this is what the answer you might get. And the wing flapping, the tail wagging, the blinking, the eyebrow raising is all randomized. So it wouldn't be this using ActionScript. Wouldn't be the same reaction twice. And yes, there's audio if you can't hear it. There is audio to this as well. This is a fun blackjack game that I came up with as one of the projects for my e-commerce class for my associate's degree in e-commerce. And this is actually a really fun little game I like to play the pastime that I developed, to play blackjack. I don't really gamble, but it was kind of fun. So you could bet $50, and it's not real money, but you'd have play chips, and then it would randomize the cards. And then if you win, then you win that money. Now I also made it so that you could save that money, right? So basically, if you walked in the casino with $100 or at the blackjack table with $100, you win $250, and then you lose $150 of it. You could still walk out with your $100, which is over here. So this was kind of a fun game to create. And then this is a fun game to create. I wanted to create another version where the little dragon here is learning to breathe fire, or is trying to breathe fire. And in order to breathe fire, then the little dragon has to eat gems, catch gems. But while catching the gems, it has to watch out for the stalactites falling on his head. So you can only get like 5 bonks on the head before you lose, and you have to start over. And the trajectory, the cadence of the falling gems and the falling stalactites would increase over time. So it was actually kind of hard to win this game. I could tweak it, to cheat if I wanted to, but this is kind of how this game worked. And again, there's audio to it, so it makes it more fun. And then lastly, I have this game, which is an asteroid game. And this was actually really fun. Again, everything I created from scratch: the animation, the illustrations, the logo treatment, Photoshop, Flash. I even used my stepdaughter's voice at the time for the announcement, and just modified it using an audio program. The GUI here is created from scratch, all of it. And so the light action when you blow up the asteroids, and this was just controlled with your mouse and the keyboard. So you press spacebar to hit to fire your missile or your lasers, and then you would have to click on, and you'd have to miss the satellites because that would penalize you. But the comets, you'd have to hit those before they hit Earth. So that was kind of the motif of the game that I created. And then what is not being shown here is, and again, only because this is a video clip of how this game actually worked, but slightly you might notice that the window that opened was using JavaScript to shake the browser window, the window that was opening, and it would actually shake when the asteroids would hit you. So it was actually pretty interactive for its time. So that kind of concludes the overview of my portfolio site. I've got lots of work that I have not uploaded, that I'm not highlighting, that I've not shown. It's what I do. As far as vocation is concerned, I am a creative who can code, and I've worked in many capacities, alone or in a group or in tandem with another designer or developer. I enjoy what I do, and yes, I am due for a new redesign, working on that right now. Yeah, hopefully you can visit my site and actually hear some of the video examples that I've created. And you know, I'm working with React and Vue and Angular as well, as far as front-end frameworks and libraries to create different things, as I can, keep my skills updated. So again, thanks a lot for watching these videos, or this video. I will put links below on ways you can contact me for work if you're looking for web design, web development, illustration, graphic design, or any of that. And I hope you enjoyed my little overview here. Have a good day.